Everyone, this is to go over the comprehensive problem that we have to do, and that is due during week 11. Please make sure you start on it ahead of time. It does take quite a bit of time to complete, especially if you are not balancing. So if you go to page 616 in your textbook, you will see the list of transactions for the month of December that we will need. And then if we go to the next page, it gives us the trial balance that we will be working on when it comes time to do the worksheet. When it comes time to look at the instructions, it gives you two different sets of instructions, the required general journal and the required special journals. We are only doing the required general journal instructions, so that is all you need to focus on. So on the actual assignment, you have multiple sheets at the bottom that you have to work from. On this first general journal tab, you are just going to include the purchases, the transactions from the 16th through the 30th. Your adjusting entries and your closing entries will be on a different tab. Next, you have your general ledger accounts. Just like we've done in chapters 10 through 15, we're going to enter in our adjusting and our closing entries into the ledger. We will have one reversing entry, so make sure you do include that. Next is our accounts receivable ledger. This actually includes accounts receivable and accounts payable. So this ledger, you will have both your accounts receivable and your accounts payable ledger. Then you will have your schedule of accounts receivable and schedule of accounts payable. Make sure those amounts match what you have on your general ledger. If they do not equal each other, then you have something off somewhere. And then you have your worksheet like we did in chapter 14. You will be showing a gain. You have your income statement. This one has 4 columns. You can use 3, you can use 4, it's whatever you're comfortable with. You have your statement of owner's equity, your balance sheet, and then you have your journal that shows the adjusting and closing entries, and then your post-closing trial balance. In your post-closing trial balance, your ending amount should be $130,426. If you struggle anywhere on this project, let me know. I will be more than happy to look at it for you, give you some pointers. Just let me